This old vintage dwell tachometer, this whole plastic surface was pitted. I couldn't even read the dial. I'd watched the YouTube video where they restored headlights. I took a new razor blade and just scraped it flat and scraped off this whole surface that looked pitted. And then I used toothpaste and rubbed it several times. Like, I didn't use sandpaper like they did. I just used some toothpaste. Then I put one little bit of vegetable oil on a paper towel to do the final cleanup. Now I can read it perfect. You could not even see these at all the way it was before. With a razor blade and toothpaste, I have restored the plastic face. If I have fine sandpaper, but it'd take me an hour to go locate it, so I just used toothpaste and a rag, water. But now you see my vintage dwell tachometer. I can read the dial again. Real simple, real easy.